Hello, you're welcome back. We are still dealing with bearings and distances. My name is Harrison. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, this is where I treat topics in senior secondary school mathematics. So let's start by solving the question on the board. An aircraft is scheduled to fly from A to B, a distance of 600 kilometers. Owing to bad weather, it is deterred to fly through C, where CA makes an angle 28.3 degrees with AB, and the distance CA is 500 kilometers. We are to calculate the distance CB, and then secondly, the angle ACB. So we go back and check the question and then draw. So we have AB makes an angle 28.3 degrees. So let's take this. This is our A. So let's take this to B. And then this is our B. But we are told that owing to bad weather, it is told to fly through C, where CA makes an angle this with AB. So CA makes an angle this. So it means we have to check, assuming we have this. Okay. And now we are taking this to be our C. Now we have CA is 500, while A to B is 600. So 600 kilometers, this is 500 kilometers. Okay. Now, this is 28.3 degrees. So for us to find, first of all, CA, we have to use the cosine rule. So we are talking of B now. So we are talking of distance CB, distance CB. So the first question is to find CB. So CB is the one we can take to be A. That is this. So we now use A squared is equal to B squared C squared minus 2 BC cos A using cosine rule. Okay, that will give us, what is our B? Our B is this. Do we know A squared? Let me see. This and this. Sorry, let's go back. An aircraft scheduled to fly from A to B, distance this. Okay. Owing to bad weather, it's fly through where CA makes an angle of this with AB, and a distance of CA is 500. CA 500. Okay, sorry. So that means we are to have something like this. Okay. And then we have this. So we now have this. This is our C. We are told that CA is 500 kilometers. So that means this is off. Okay. We have to find CB. So that is A squared equal to this. So that would be B squared 500 squared plus 600 squared minus 2 times 500 times 600 cos 28.3. So that will give us, we'll quickly check, and that will give us 250,000 plus 360 minus 600,000 times 0.88 0.8805 8805. So, and that means we are talking of A squared equal to 610,000 minus 528,286. So that will give us 81714. 81714. Therefore, A is equal to, find the square root of this, 81714. If you do that, we're going to have 28586 approximately equal to 286 kilometers. 286 kilometers. So we have succeeded in getting the distance from B to C, which is A. And that is this. So the next thing is for us to now go ahead and find angle C, which is this angle. Angle C. And in that case, we have to use sine rule. Okay. So we are now going over to the second part. Now we can come over here, B, angle ACB be equal to, we are going to use A over sine A equal to C over sine C. So let us label this theta. And that will lead us to our A now is 286 all over sine 28.3, which is equal to C 600 all over sine theta. So from here we are going to cross multiply. So we come up here. We come up here and cross multiply. That will give us 600 sine 600 sine okay 600 sine 28.3 is equal to 286 sine theta. Therefore, sine theta equal to 600 sine 28.3 all over 286. That will give us 600 multiplied by, we check, sine 28.3 is 0.4741. 0.4741 all over 286. So that will give us 284.458 all over 286. And finally, 253. So that will give us 0.9946. So then sine theta 0.9946 sine inverse theta is equal to, you now have to look for this from the table or from calculator, and that will arrive at 84.04 degrees, approximately equal to 84 degrees. So that is the bearing of, sorry, that is the angle C. That is angle C. That is angle C. So that brings us to the end of the question. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, you put it in the comment section so that I will look at it in my next video and find solution to it. Thank you.